The AI aesthetic flagship Honor 200 Pro has finally arrived in Malaysia, and look at it. This phone is like a piece of art. But what's even more impressive here is that it packs a lot of impressive AI features and performance in this sleek body. And if you're still hesitating if you should pick up this phone, watch on because I'm going to share what I love about the Honor 200 Pro after using for 2 weeks. For modern flagship phone standards, the Honor 200 Pro is an incredibly sleek smartphone that measures just 8.2mm thick and weighs under 200 grams. I love the swirl and wavy texture on the back that resists fingerprints and offers a good grip. The large oval camera module is pretty unique, and finally, I'm glad that the 6.78-inch OLED display only has slightly curved edges that makes it easier to navigate around and have a better viewing experience. Speaking of the display, the Honor 200 Pro has the best-in-class eye care features. Not only it boasts a peak brightness of 4000 nits and a PWM dimming frequency of 3840 Hz, it also comes with AI Circadian Night Display and AI Natural Tone 2.0. These two technologies intelligently adjust the screen color temperature and brightness while ensuring accurate colors in different ambient lighting to offer a comfortable visual experience. The Honor 200 Pro ships with Magic OS 8.0 and has all the on-device AI features found on the Honor Magic 6 Pro. Some of my favorite features include Honor Magic Portal, which saves me a few taps on doing certain things, such as sharing a photo to Instagram and starting a Google Maps navigation with just a drag and drop to the left or right edge. AI Smart Folder that converts app icons into useful shortcut widgets to get quick access to features, and the Magic Capsule interface that shows expanded information on my music playback. There's also a new AI Blur Private Info feature that can hide sensitive items in a photo before sharing, such as name, contact number, and passwords. More importantly, the Honor 200 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 processor paired to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. It handles graphics-demanding games with no issues and doesn't cause the device to overheat. It also has great power efficiency with excellent standby times. While I'm most impressed that Honor has still managed to squeeze in a high-density 5200 mAh silicon carbon battery in such a thin form factor, while supporting 100-watt fast wired charging and 66 watts fast wireless charging. Honor has brought the flagship camera experience from the Magic 6 Pro to the Honor 200 Pro. That's right, the 50-megapixel dynamic Falcon H9000 camera serves as the main shooter with a large f1.9 aperture and is complemented by a 50-megapixel telephoto portrait camera and 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. You can capture fast-moving objects with AI motion sensing, and it is great for capturing pets and kids. Moreover, the Honor 200 Pro is the first Honor flagship phone to collaborate with Studio Harcourt in Paris for its portrait photography capabilities. The studio is well known for its black and white portraits of famous celebrities. More than 20 experts from Honor and Studio Harcourt spent 400 days to analyze over 1,000 lighting scenarios and millions of datasets to create 3 artistic portrait styles on the Honor 200 Pro, which, unlike other phone cameras, the Honor 200 Pro is able to capture portraits that make the subject stand out with its advanced lighting and color algorithms applied. It is very impressive considering you can do this from a phone camera without the need for a complex lighting setup. Finally, this is the first time that Honor is bringing the Pro version of the number series to Malaysia. With such an attractive hardware design and great AI portrait camera system, the Honor 200 Pro retails for just 2,699 ringgit, while the Honor 200 starts at 1,899 ringgit. You can pre-order yours from 19 to 27 June 2024 with just a 20 ringgit deposit. This is an extremely good value that not many brands can offer, and I recommend that you go check out the Honor 200 series. So that's all for the Honor 200 Pro in today's video. Do stay tuned for the next one, as I'll be talking about the Honor 200 and Honor 200 Pro and tell you which one is for you. So let me know what you guys want to know about them in the comments. As for now, thanks for watching today's video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos coming right up and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.